Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm Arif, your financial freedom journey partner. In this video today, we're gonna go through my stock portfolio, and after having a brief overview, then I will show you my top 5 holdings, like how it performed this week. This week was really good for the stock market. My portfolio has grown by almost $3,000, for which I am really proud of. So before I start the video, I just want to talk about myself. Well, I'm Arif. So this channel is all about finance, investment, and personal growth. So if you're interested in this field, this channel is definitely for you. So I'm planning to upload more and more videos related to stock market analysis. So please like and subscribe to my channel to see my upcoming videos, because I'm planning to upload videos in a very frequent manner. So without further delay, let's get started. Alright, I have logged into my Wealthsimple account. So I'm in Canada. For that reason, I use Wealthsimple for trading. And here you can see multiple sections. One is TFSA. TFSA stands for tax-free savings account. The good part about TFSA is that the gain that you have that you make from your investment is tax-free. So this is really great. So, but there's some limitations, like for TFSA, every year you get $6,000 of limit to invest. So for that reason, you can see I do have some investment in here. So right now my TFS is maxed out. For that reason, I'm investing in my non-registered, which is my personal account. Besides that, I also have few cryptocurrencies under the crypto portfolio. So yes, so right now, if you see at the very top, my current portfolio value is $72,274. And let's go through each and every section of this portfolio first. So under TFSA, I do have few Canadian stock and few US stock. So I do have two sections for TFSA. So if I click my Canadian section of TFSA and show you my all-time performance. So all-time, I have gained 14%. That is $2,236 I have gained from the Canadian section. And for US stocks, I have gained $3,818. That is like 41% up. That means the month that I invested, it has grown by 41% under my US stock section. That is crazy. So this is my TFSA update. And then for the personal account, if I show you that under personal, it's the same thing, because under personal we have two sections too, like the CAD and the USD. Under CAD, it has grown by 12%, that is $1,735. And for the US section, it has grown by 32%. That means $2,904. Even though, like, I'm not saying like I'm a very good stock picker, but I do a lot of research analysis before I invest my hard-earned money. So in the long run, I think it's paying off, guys. So that's my two sections, and the crypto section is doing okay for now. So if the performance you see here, it's 2% down, because we never know. Crypto is a totally unpredicted platform, but if you manage to pick one or two good cryptocurrencies, it will pay off in long term. My strategy for crypto is that I am holding more of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So if you see, my biggest holdings in here is Bitcoin, BTC, that is $1,797 of Bitcoin, and Ethereum, I'm holding few Ethereum, that is $1,297 of Ethereum. Other than that, I have picked a few cryptocurrencies just for fun. But yes, whenever you're investing in cryptocurrency, make sure that this is not you're not going all in. All right, now let's start the fun part. So I'm gonna show you my top 5 holdings and how these 5 stocks are performing currently. So if I go to my watch list, trade watch list, and my biggest holding is VDY. VDY stands for Vanguard FTSE Canadian High Dividend Yield index ETF. So it's more of like ETF. That means it's not a single stock; it's a basket of stocks. So in Canada, the financial industries are very popular. So in this stock, we have a combination of different banks of Canada and also some financial institutes. So it's a basket of stocks. So if we see the 5 years of performance, it is up by 19.33%. And if we see my stocks, so currently I'm holding almost, if we add it up, that is almost 11,000 something Canadian dollars. And under my TFSA, it's currently under down, that is 3.6% down, and under the non-registered account, it's up by 6.58%. The good part about VDY is that it gives a very good dividend. So it's giving dividend like 4.69%, and even the better part is like you are getting the dividend every monthly basis. So it's more of a like I'm getting some cash back. So every month the stocks that I have, I'm getting all more than $50 to $60 of dividend, and I'm reinvesting it. So currently the price is $40. So maybe I'm purchasing 1.5 of a VDY stock automatically every month. So I have set up the automatic reinvestment. So in this way, the long term, if you think about it, that it is adding up, it will add up in 50 to 20 years. My initial investment will grow a lot, because the money that I'm getting, I'm reinvesting it. So this is a very good and powerful strategy. So that's my first biggest holding, and the second holding is VFV. We can see it from here, from the watch list. Yes, VFV stands for Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF. A good question could be, what is S&P 500? Well, if we think the US stock market, like a complete US stock market, if we pick the top performing 500 stocks and put it inside a bucket, and then we can call it a S&P 500 Index ETF. So this is exactly what it is. So even if you invest $10 or $100 under VFB, your $100 will be equally distributed to this the 500 stocks. So what's the benefit of it? Well, if you pick only one stock, for an example, you pick one stock like X, or let's give it a name. Like maybe let's give it a name like Tesla. You have it's called Tesla, and you have invested like $10,000 of money under Tesla stock. When it will grow, it will feel good that yes, my money is growing. But what if the stock price goes down, like 80% down, 90% down? Then your money is gone. Then your initial $10,000 investment is now in current value, it will be like $2,000 to $1,000. So it's a very greater risk. But think about it, like here you are investing in 500 companies altogether. So maybe one or two companies, maybe 10 or 50 companies are doing well, but other 450 companies will perform well. So whenever the overall stock market will go up, your share price will go up. Maybe the growth is steady, slow and steady, but it will grow, and it's very hard to fall down, because it's very unlikely that all the 500 top performing 500 companies will go down in a very short period of time. For that reason, I really like this S&P 500 stock. So even if we see the performance last 5 years, it has grown by 60.89%. That is $40 up per share basis. So it's a very good strategy that way. And beside that, you're also getting some dividend, that is 1.23%. So your capital, you are gaining some capital gains, and also you are getting some dividends too. That's pretty impressive. And currently under my non-registered account, I am holding $5,000 of VFV stock, which is up by 8.69%. And under TFS, I'm holding more $5,750 of VFV stock, and which is up by 17.85%. So if I hold this stock for a long term, like maybe 10 to 15 years, this stock will go up for sure. And beside that, my initial $10,000 investment, I'll make a lot of money out of it. So I am not planning to sell it. So the first two holdings that I have, the VDY and VFV, I am holding it to make sure that the pillar of my portfolio is solid and strong. My third biggest holding is a single stock, and single stock is always exciting to go through. And my biggest holding as a single stock is, I'm sure you are well familiar with this company, that is Apple. I like Apple stock. This is great. If you see just 5 years of performance of Apple stock, it has grown by 231%. That is pretty crazy. That is like in 5 years it has grown by this much. This is awesome. So currently I'm holding 22 shares under non-registered account, which is in value it's like 4,136 USD, and on the TFS I'm holding 6, that is 1,128 USD. In total I'm holding more than $5,000 USD dollars of Apple shares, and I'm planning to buy more and more. I really like this company. I like the fundamental. The good part about Apple stock is that they have a very good cash flow, and I like that. The backbone is very strong of this company. So you can see that I have grown my money almost like 25% in both of these accounts. It also provides a little bit of dividend that doesn't hurt. That is like 0.50. Whatever whenever it's making some money, it is putting the money for research and development, R&D. That's good for us as an investor, because that means that in future the product of Apple will be much more better, and the value of the share will go up and up. So I also suggest you that if you are not sure, like which share to buy a single share, Apple could be a very good candidate in that case. So this is my third one. The fourth one that I am holding right now is Amazon. There are two reasons why I like this share. The first reason is that I am a tech guy. You can see my certification in the background, like more of the cloudy stuff. And Amazon provides the AWS, Amazon Web Service. It's the leader of cloud computing field. And this gonna be a very big, because cloud computing is the new hot topic in market. So for that reason I really like it. And the second thing is that we all know that Amazon has the biggest reseller brand. So for that reason Amazon is it has a very diversified business. So for that reason I like this share. Well, if we see the performance in 5 years, it has grown by 37%. That is impressive. And currently, I'm holding almost 4,000, almost 4,500 USD dollars of shares. And here you can see it's doing pretty well. And it doesn't provide any sort of dividend or yield so far, because it's still growing and it is reinvesting all the money that it is getting from the business. And the market cap is impressive. It's like 1.39 trillion. So it's a very big cap company. So we can easily trust this company, guys. So that's the fourth. And the final and the fifth stock, my biggest holding that I have is I am a tech guy, so that's why I like tech stock. I once watched one interview from Warren Buffett. So there he mentioned one cool stuff, that is like if you want to invest in the stock market, make sure that you know the company, you know the backbone, you know the way the company operates. So that is a very important way to look into this stock market. So I'm an IT guy. I know technology. I know which are the tech leaders and who are performing well in this industry. For that reason, for me, it's very easy to pick up some tech stocks. The same thing goes to you. If you are good at any field, the field that you're working on, you can definitely find out who is the industry leader, and you can go for those big caps. And in the long run, it will grow because you are confident. You are not just relying on the news. You know exactly what you're doing with your hard-earned money, right? So for Google, if we see the 5 years performance, it has grown by 117% in 5 years. And here it's cool. If you see here under my personal account, I have gained 55% of my invested money, and the TFS I have gained almost 29%, and in total I am holding almost $4,000 of stock, $4,000 of Google stock. The market cap is 1.7 trillion. Currently, it's also not providing any yield. But from my understanding, like we all know that Google is the industry leader of as a search engine. Beside that, Google is also winning in the cloud field. The Google Cloud is also catching up AWS, and the tech, we know that was the future of tech. It will just go up and up. For that reason, I really like this tech stock. So these are my top 5 holdings that I'm very confident about. Congratulations guys for reaching this far of this video. Well, today we have gone through my stock portfolio, then I have explained and showed you my top 5 holdings and why I'm holding that. I also explained that. If you have any questions related to these stocks, please let me know under this comment section, and I'm going to reply back in a very short bit of time. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel, because I'm planning to upload more and more content related to it. If you want me to cover any specific stock, also let me know under the comment section, and I'm gonna cover that for you. That's all for today. Have a great and wonderful day.